Technology integration is using tech-based resources such as mobiles, smart boards, social media platforms, computers, software and the wider internet in daily classroom and teaching practices. Here are the 3 types of technology to teach approaches. A virtual learning environment, also known as learning management systems, are web-based educational platforms that act as an online teaching medium. A VLE functions as a primary online resource center for students, and is often integrated with student databases and grading systems. Originally used for online or distance learning courses, it is now used for on-campus courses as well. VLEs are now growing in popularity in higher-end private schools, where high technology penetration and access to the internet is the norm. There are 2 ways teachers and educators can use VLE in their classroom. Online quizzes are quicker to implement than paper-based ones. Good VLEs come with an easy-to-use quiz design function that any instructor can use, and student answers can be automatically vetted and graded. Online discussion forums can help engage with reticent students, allowing them to add their perspectives to a lesson plan without feeling intimidated. In addition, students can share related media with their classmates such as videos, news features, interesting articles, thus enriching the lesson topic. Student-teacher interactions are vital to achieving learning objectives and course outcomes. Once relegated to classroom-based teaching, the global pandemic has now made online technology platforms such as Zoom and virtual learning environments a necessary teaching tool for synchronous learning. Additionally, chatting, question and answers sessions, phone calls or in-person conversations fall in this category, as the interaction and response are immediate. Asynchronous means out of sync, and is delayed teaching that is not done in real time. Technology to teach with asynchronous learning is accomplished through pre-recorded webinars, online videos, discussion boards, and other activities that can be tackled at a student's own pace. The internet is a powerful medium, and if utilized correctly, can be an immensely effective teaching tool. Its power to distract, as much as it is to teach, is what makes it a more challenging tool for teachers. Learning as a social activity is quite beneficial, as it fosters a high degree of interaction between students. Gamification, or applying elements of gaming to other activities, is an interesting way of adding interactivity to a classroom setting. Digital media as a technology to teach tool can range from online videos, blogs, wikis, and more. Not only can these resources add more context to a topic, but teachers can encourage students to create, or co-create social media content about topics they are learning. Are you interested in pursuing a teaching career, or learning more about education? Speak to our higher education consultants if you are interested in a PGCE, Masters in Education, or other teaching courses on offer.